Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Windows cannot find wt.exe in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to proceed here at the bottom search bar and type for settings. Once you have typed it, please proceed with the best match. Go with open to continue. You can also press Windows and I key together, and by that you would be able to run the settings here in your Windows or computer. Once you are here at the settings, please proceed at the left side of it. You can see a list of the options where here you need to proceed on apps and afterwards proceed with advanced app settings where you can choose where to get apps, archive apps, and uninstall updates. So click on it and there you would be able to see an option called app execution aliases. So click on it and the moment you have to click on it, here you need to look for terminal. Okay? So the reason why you get an error is that it might have you have mistakenly or accidentally turned it off, which is your wt.exe or your terminal. So you need to turn it on. So if in case it is turned off, turn it on and try to check if your problem has been fixed. Okay? But let's say if it doesn't, then we need to move on to our second method. Our second method would be here at the bottom search bar, you need to type for Chrome. So let's say you don't have a terminal application in your Windows. In my case, I have already, since if I'll search it here at the bottom search bar, an application would appear, meaning I have already the terminal app. But let's say if in your case you don't have. So we need to download and install a new Windows terminal. So here, please type for Chrome. The moment you have typed it, please proceed with the best match. Click on Open to continue and wait until you are being redirected to the Google Chrome browser. Once you are here at the Google Chrome browser, you need to proceed by typing Windows space terminal. And the moment you have typed that, click on enter to proceed and wait until you are being redirected to the result. Here you can see a first result which is under Microsoft Store. Click on this link which is Windows Terminal free download and install on Windows. So click on it and the moment you have to click on it, wait until you are being redirected to the application of Windows Terminal where you can see the option that you can download this Windows Terminal app. Okay. So here you would be able to see an option which is download. So click on it and it will be downloaded. You can also view it in Microsoft Store and download or get it there. Okay. So click on download and once you have downloaded it, install it in your Windows and try to check again if your problem has been fixed. Okay. So those are the steps on how to fix your problem. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.